So in this problem, we have electric field E. Okay, and then this is a Gaussian surface. Looks like delta x is 2 meter. That means area, because this is a cube. Area on any surface is going to be 2 squared, so 4. Okay. And what do we know about Gauss's law? There's only like 2 equations on my sheet for Gauss's law. Okay. So this, okay, y squared is going to be, this is going to be y. So y equals 2. And notice how one's I hat, one's j hat. Well, that's because we're going to have, let's see, this is going to be, this face is going to be I hat. This face is going to be probably k hat. And this one's I'm going to be assuming j hat. Because this one moves completely x, this one moves completely y. But this one, I guess this one moves completely z. This one moves completely y, but you could say the same about this one, but I'm saying this one generally is pointing these separate ways. But if this one's j, x, y, z, well then let's do it by what flows through them. This is going to be the z, so this one's going to be k hat. This one is going to have x flowing through it. This one's going to be I hat. And then this one's going to be j hat. That makes sense because j is going to flow through it. K is going to flow that. I mean, I is going to flow that. K is going to flow through that. So now we have the faces here. And I don't think it should matter exactly because it's the same thing anyway. So just as long as we're consistent with it. All right, so we've got that. So now, E dot A equals magic something here. That should be how it works. E dot A. Gauss's law. E dot dA. This details button that I never hit. Oh, it doesn't really say nothing. Okay. I think it should be E dot EA. Or E dot A equals the answer. So now what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, so we're going to face, do one. Oh, wait, they actually say it on the top face. So the first one's going to be the top face here. So that's just going to be the J hat. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 squared plus 9 times A, which is going to be 4. That's going to be 2 squared, which is 4, plus 9, which is 15, times 4 is going to be 60. Oh, there's a 3. Sorry. There's a 3 in front of this here. I forgot to add that in. So it's not going to be equal to 60. It's going to be 3 times 15 times 4, which is still wrong. Ah. But why? Why is it wrong? It shouldn't be wrong. 2 squared should be the area on the face. So area is correct. I guess this doesn't have a change in y. So the should be then maybe 9. 3 times 9 times 4. Still not right. This top face. Yeah. Top face should be 3y. It should be negative. Maybe. I'm thinking that's right. What is 2 squared plus 9? 13 times 3 times 4. 156. Okay. Sorry, I'm very bad at math. So this is actually negative 156 j hat. Okay, that's the correct answer. That's the top face. Now it's asking the bottom face, B. Well, B is going to be E dot A is going to equal negative 3 times 9 because it's going to be 0y times 4. So that should be negative 3 times 9 times 4, 108. Let me just get all the answers pulled up at a time. Yeah. This should be 108. I don't think they're asking for J hats, so they just want this. And this is actually newtons per Newton times meter squared per coulomb. And C, they want the left face right here. So that's gonna be 7i hat. So this is gonna be E dot A is gonna be equal to 7 times 4. 28. It should be negative. Yeah. Newton meters squared coulomb. And the back face, which is right there. So we did the front at some point, right? Top, left, right. We didn't do the front. Top, so top, bottom, and left. So the back face here, let's see. That's going to be well, there's no K hat here. So it actually doesn't have anything pointing through it. Like if this plane here was in X, Y, and Z, this direction through this would be the K direction, and there's actually nothing passing it. X direction is going to be parallel to it, and Y is going to be parallel to it, so it would be 0. Big ol' 0. And they want to know what the net, E says the net electric flux through this is. Well, okay. I'm assuming this would be, let's see, top and bottom. So this would be 108. 108 minus 156. And that's just going to be that. Because 26 and negative 26 will cancel each other. So 156 minus 108. We're getting 48 for the net. And of course, it's Newton meter squared over Coulomb. Oh, negative 48. Would it be 108 minus 156? Oh yeah, that's what I have written up there. I did it in my calculator the other way around. Okay. So yeah, that is how you do that problem.